Welcome back, I'm Ron. If you follow my channel, you already know we've been tracking every DJI rumor, leak, and regulatory update for months now. And today we finally have our first official look at what appears to be the DJI very first 360 camera. It's going to be called the Avata 360. Now the leak once again comes from Igor at Quadro News, who has an incredible track record for sharing accurate DJI product info before it ever goes public. Now here's the thing. If you're watching here from the US, like I am, you might want to take this news with a grain of salt because with the looming December 23rd, 2025 National Defense Authorization Act deadline, something I've covered here on the channel many times, there's a very real chance that this drone won't be available in the US for buyers once DJI faces FCC restrictions. So more about that up in this video here. But for everyone else outside the US, this looks like one of the most exciting new FPV drones we've seen in quite a while. DJI's first true 360 drone. So if you've been following the 360 drone space, you'll know that Insta360 made headlines earlier this year with the reveal of their anti-gravity A1, the first ever drone set to launch in early 2026. That move clearly lit the fire under DJI because not long after that announcement, rumors started swirling that DJI was working on their competitive 360 capable FPV drone of their own. So those rumors have turned out to be something solid, and it's looking like the DJI Avata 360, previously rumored under, I think Avata 3 was going to be the name, is a real possibility and ready for release. The leaked photos shot aren't blurry prototype images in any way. They're polished, professional, and carry that unmistakable DJI design and language. Now, that tells me one thing. DJI is not just testing, they're preparing for an official launch. Visually, the Avata 360 looks a bit more compact than the Avata 2, but still keeps the distinctive enclosed duct design that defines the Avata series. The prop guards appear thinner and smoother, likely made from a lighter composite, which could mean better airflow, less drag, and longer flight times. Now, what stands out immediately are the dual camera modules mounted on the opposite sides of the drone. These are what make full 360-degree camera captures possible, stitching together overlapping fields of view into one seamless panoramic image. But here's where DJI seems to have the edge over Insta360's drone. Instead of a fixed dual lens setup, the Avata 360 entire camera assembly appears to sit inside a rotating enclosed gimbal system. It's not exposed like the Air 3 or Mini 4 Pro. Instead, it's tucked inside a protective housing. Now, that's a smart move for FPV flying. They're, where you have bumps and crashes are just part of the game, and you still get tilt control, but your optics stay safe. Rumors suggest that the Avata 360 uses the same image hardware found in the Osmo 360, meaning the potential for 8K 360 video recording with advanced EIS or electronic image stabilization and horizon leveling. Now, that would put it at the very top of the FPV imaging game, bridging the gap between hardcore FPV performance and the cinematic 360 video capturing. Also, you've got LiDAR sensors and smart tracking. Zooming in on the leaked images, you'll notice dual LiDAR sensors positioned beside the main camera housing. That's new for the Avata model. These sensors likely work with DJI's vision system to improve obstacle detection and 3D mapping, key for safer flights and autonomous type tracking. One of the renderings even show a cyclist being tracked from behind, which could hint at a new active track 360 or even a, let's call it follow me mode featured inside the FPV quad itself. That's something DJI's FPV lineup has never done before, and it could be a huge leap forward. So let's talk about flight times. From the rear angle, the Avata 360's body looks slightly elongated, probably to accommodate a larger battery that could push flight times beyond 20 minutes, a nice upgrade over the Avata 2. The same top-mounted locking battery system returns, secure, simple, and crash resistant. Okay, let's talk about controls. Motion and dual stick options. This time around, DJI seems to be offering more controlled flexibility than the not yet released Insta360 A1. The anti-gravity A1 is scheduled to launch January 2026, according to Insta360's website. While Insta360 is limiting its drone to a single motion grip controller, DJI is reportedly offering a motion controller and a traditional dual stick RC with a built-in display and dual antennas. So what does that mean for you? That means you'll be able to switch between intuitive wrist-based motion flying and full manual stick controls, ideal for both FPV enthusiasts and cinematic YouTube creators. Okay, and let's talk about the all-important pricing and weight. Early info suggests that the Avata 360 may launch around 1,200 euros, and it's going to come in under 250 grams. That's a big deal for creators abroad, but again, for those of us in the US, it's looking unlikely we'll be able to buy it legally after the upcoming FCC import restrictions take effect in December. Okay, so final thoughts. The DJI Avata 360 is shaping up to be DJI's most advanced FPV platform yet. It's lighter, smarter, and more capable than anything else in its class. And if all these leaks are accurate, we could see DJI officially unveil it before the end of the year, potentially beating out Insta360's A1 to the market. So for my viewers and the readers here in the US, enjoy the preview while you can. And for everyone else around the world, this might be the most exciting new drone for 2025. So stay tuned. I'll keep covering every update, especially if DJI makes this official before that December deadline hits. Do me a favor, leave a like, a thumbs up. It's always appreciated. And we will see you in the next video. Take care.